Hello everyone. Today we're going to have a little chat about technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Which one is better? Which one do I use? Which one is better to use as a guide for trading? Well, and which one is more important? A lot of people might use this as an argument, but in reality, I think that both of them are a little bit important, and here's the reason why I say that. Technical analysis is a discipline of identifying trends using a chart that pretty much shows you an amount of data that was captured from the past to see how a security might react in the future using points of support and resistance. Now the fundamental is basically reading a amount of sales and expenses and trying to find a intrinsic value of a company, economics and different factors that might affect the underlying value of the stock. People use both of these things in different factors. When you want to trade stocks, pretty much a lot of people that traders use technical analysis to identify support and resistance in a chart. If you're going more to invest, a lot of people try more to go for the fundamentals. If you're going long term, you're talking about investment, like Warren Buffett or Carl Icahn, Ray Dalio, all of those guys right there. But here's the thing. I think both of them are important. Me personally, I use more reading chart technical analysis to get my support and resistance and to get the opportunities in the next couple of days in maybe swing trading or even day trading. But I think both of them are important because it really depends on how the market will react to any sort of things. For example, a company might not be making money right now, and fundamentals, the analysts might say, oh, they're going to lose this amount of money. They beat expectations of the earnings, and those news come out. Now fundamentals might change a little bit right there. If in a couple of different quarters they start making money, fundamentals of that company are actually going to change, and how the market reacts to those fundamentals are going to be the factor that will determine how the price of the stock is going to react. Us as traders, we just want to identify those trends and be able to get profit out of the opportunities that might come along. Good volume because there was good news, or good volume because there were bad news, and you can go short. And the summary here is pretty much that fundamental and technical really depends on what you want to trade and your strengths. If you want to go long term or not, then you have to kind of pick your choice. If you go on long term investing, well, then maybe fundamentals will be a good thing for you. But if you are more short term thing as like trading, then reading the chart to identify different pockets of support or resistance in a chart might be the best suit for you. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you think that I provided any kind of value for you today or maybe in the past videos. Thank you. Enjoy your day and happy trading.